Happy Friday. So today I just received a shipment from one of our vendors, and they're helicoil augers for the augers we're building. In the past we've gone with sectional augers, and I was really impressed with how these are all one piece all the way through, welded on both sides. That's pretty impressive to me. Maybe not to you, but to me. Puts a smile on my face. I like stuff like that. When people take pride in their work, which these guys obviously do, it gives me a little more peace of mind. This is part of one of the shipments going to Europe. We have augers. I think we have three or four containers in total. And then we put on the same pallets, we put the scales that are going underneath the bagging station. So we have 2 scales there, 2 scales there. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Happy Friday.